8. Is it safe to rely on the law? In this age of overprotection, we have laws and regulations to protect us from every kind of problem and from fraud. How good are these laws and codes? Someone I know had a house built, a very superior one in design and planning. He moved into it happily, only to encounter some problems, some minor and some not so minor. One serious problem was the fireplace, which began to leave the house. Now, the house had been built according to code, had been inspected and met all specifications. In such a situation, what do? The building department of the county said it was a matter between himself and the masonry firm. The mason had gone out of business under another name, so the original contracting firm was now non-existent. As a result, my friend had to pay for the redoing of a job built according to code, supposedly and approved. The building code gave him no protection when he needed it. Another friend moved into a newly built house, and after the first heavy storm, the builder was back to crawl through the attic to check on the roof, to examine things under the house, and then to make a minor change or two to ensure doubly that no problem would ensue. My friend wasn't protected by the code, but by the contractor. The difference in the two cases was character. The building code in both cases was the same. No building code, however good, can replace character. In our day, we rely too much on laws and building codes to protect us, and too little on character. As a result, we are more easily exploited by unscrupulous men. No code can be framed which a crooked man will not twist, exploit, or corrupt. By placing our confidence in laws and codes, we are asking for trouble. We are forgetting, too, that the soundest basis for a sound economy and a trustworthy job is character. I passed a proposed subdivision recently. The builder behind it has left dissatisfaction everywhere, as well as threats of lawsuits. When ready, this subdivision will likely draw eager buyers because their presumption will be that the strict building codes will protect them. The net result is that the most important single consideration of all is overlooked: the character of the builder. After all, who nowadays doubts the character of a successful man whose sales offices are plush and beguiling places? Who needs character references when he smells of success?